Regular engine heater maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan as well as ensure reliability and function on your Hotstart heater. In this video, you will learn how to conduct general element replacement for Hotstart's oil and coolant-based circulating heaters. Required tools include a wrench, flathead screwdriver, 11/32 nut driver, and a voltage meter. Recommended tools are hex key, pliers, and Vaseline. Start by disconnecting power from the main breaker. Ensure power has been successfully disconnected by using a voltage meter. Next, close the fluid isolation valves at the inlet and outlet before draining fluid from the heating element tank. With a wrench, remove the element cap to reveal the hairpin electrical connections. Remove the electrical cable that connects the breaker to the element head by twisting off the red cable collar, followed by the locking ring underneath. Be careful not to lose the grounding spring inside the collar. Now, disconnect the wiring from the element hairpins inside the electrical housing. First, disconnect the black ground wire using a flathead screwdriver. Then, use an 11/32 nut driver and detach the power leads. Remove the black ground cord with pliers through the cable gland, and then gather the rest of the power leads and pull them through the hole. Next, use a wrench and begin to loosen the V-clamp. Then place a fluid funnel underneath the heating tank to direct the draining fluid. Continue to loosen the V-clamp completely until you can easily remove the heating element from the tank. Prepare the replacement heating element by placing the included O-ring into the groove at the base of the hairpins. We recommend applying Vaseline to keep the ring seated in place. Install the new heating element into the heating tank and secure it with a new V-clamp. Now complete the electrical connection by working in reverse order of removal. Before energizing the new element, properly prime the heating system using the prime button, which ensures the tank is full of fluid.